Hi there. In this video, we're going to take a look at writing a detailed prompt with Gemini. You've probably heard the term prompt engineering. You don't need to be a prompt engineer and come up with these detailed prompts on your own because we've got Gemini to help. I start my prompt by saying, you are an expert in K-12 assessments. Again, I want Gemini to take on this persona. I have been teaching my 8th grade students about persuasive writing. Write a detailed prompt that I can use in Gemini to generate a list of assessments so that I can confirm that my students have mastered the skills of persuasive writing. These assessments must also not be something that students can use generative AI to cheat on. Here's the prompt that Gemini came up with. Within each assessment, it's going to give me a description of the assessment task. It's going to give me the specific elements related to persuasive writing that it covers. It's going to give me an explanation of why this assessment is less susceptible to being successfully completed by generative AI. And it's also going to give me some suggestions on how to implement and evaluate the assessment effectively. I copy this entire prompt, paste it into the context window, and hit submit. Gemini came back with a great list of assessments that I could use in my classroom. I've got a description of that assessment, the skills that it's targeting, why it's less susceptible to AI, and how would I implement and evaluate this. I'm really glad that Gemini was able to come up with a pretty comprehensive list with several different assessments that I could pick and choose from to use with my students. I'll paste these prompts in the description below. Happy exploring!